Hi everyone, my name is Alex. Today I'm going to be trying the I'm From Black Rice Toner. This product retails $28. First of all, I want to say I'm From did send me this product, but there was no pressure to make a full long form review to it, and as always, that will not impact my full opinion and honesty of this product. I'm really excited and I'm glad that they did end up sending this to me because it was a product I wanted to try given it is more designed for oilier skin. The original I'm From toner was more rich, more of a dry skin product. Something I find I'm going for more now because the weather is getting colder. However, I do want to try out this more lighter, oily skin friendly option because I want to open up, first of all, my range of what I've tried from I'm From, but also give you all a perspective on how I feel like this product is and how it performs compared to the original toner. This product is vegan, cruelty-free, fragrance-free, alcohol-free, and comes in recyclable packaging. I chose to include rice water in this along with Panthenol, which I'm really excited for. They're marketing this for oily, acne-prone skin, so I'm excited to see how those ingredients translate in this formula. Check out the full ingredients. You can click the link in the description to go to their website. Also left the full ingredients in the description as well. Big things I'm going to be looking for include, how does this product feel? Does it break me out or cause any acne? How does this product layer? And also, how do I prefer to use it? What skin type do I feel like would benefit from this the best? I also want to see a comparison between this and the original I'm From toner. As for anything else, I'm continuing to do check-in, so I will see you all in the next check-in. I'm here to give you all a quick check-in on this product. I have to say, I understand why they are marketing this for more oily skin. They took a completely different approach with this product than they did with their other rice toner. And it's very interesting because it starts out a little bit milky. You can see there as it runs off my hand, it is super lightweight. Barely leaves any finish to the skin. I've noticed some purifying benefits with this product as well. It is like the perfect counterpart to the more rich I'm From toner, which I absolutely love. I'm going to show you me applying it. It's been super hydrating for the skin, and it is mostly internally hydrating. Gives a little bit of an initial glow at first, but dries down practically immediately. And I personally love the ingredients that they chose to include in here because I feel like it's been equal parts very soothing yet balancing for my skin. And I've really been needing that recently. It's really good as a layering step. If you felt like the original I'm From rice toner was a little bit too heavy for you, you're definitely gonna wanna go for this product. Even if you have more dry skin or if you have oily skin, I feel like this opens up the door for everybody to use a lighter weight version if you prefer that, because it has been showing some softening benefits like the rice toner did, but just in a more lightweight way. I've really been loving it. It's been working great for my skin. I've been dealing with a little bit of acne, and it's been working to kind of counteract that. So I'm really excited to see what I continue to notice with this. Seeming like a really lightweight toner. I'm loving it so far. I'm going to continue using it and then I'll check in again. I'm back to give you all my final thoughts on this product. It was a really lightweight balancing toner that I feel like was a perfect complement to the I'm From rice toner that was more intended for dry skin. This product has some balancing ingredients in it that I felt like was softening my skin, soothing my skin, deeply hydrating it, and also seemed to help with some acne very subtly. I was struggling with some breakouts when I was trying out this product, so I was able to put that to the test, and I feel like it was helping to not only hydrate my skin, but also balance some acne production on my skin as well. The only thing that I am not the biggest fan of with this product is the price point. Now, Korean skincare products kind of vary on how expensive they are depending on which website you purchase them from. This is coming from the retail value. You are getting a ton of this product, but I do know of a couple of more alternatives, one of them being a rice toner and one of them being just a hydrating, nourishing toner that could be an alternative to this product if you're looking for a more budget-friendly option, depending on the website. This was very similar to Haru Haru's black rice toner. I feel like they are very comparable. The black rice toner is more lightweight, had the same softening and hydrating benefits of this, and from what I've seen from a lot of other Korean websites, it seems to be a little bit more budget friendly. Now you do get a good value of this product though. You won't go through this product very quickly, but it is definitely more expensive on the toner scale. One product that is really budget friendly is Stradia's Aqua Factory Hydrating Toner. That did very similar things in terms of hydration and the finish that it left on the skin, and is a little bit more affordable on paper, but do get a better value of this. It is just a more expensive initial cost. Those are just some potential alternatives if you're sensitive to an ingredient in this or you're just wanting a different hydrating toner. However, I did really enjoy this product. It left a really nice, lightweight, barely even there finish that I feel like would make it the perfect product for really oily skin, or if you want a lighter weight approach to a hydrating toner with the softening benefits that rice can give your skin. I feel like that would be when I would recommend this product. It left no finish. It was super lightweight, yet internally hydrating, and I really enjoyed my experience with it. I feel like it's a very well-rounded toner, and honestly my preference from the I'm From collection at the moment. Their other rice toner was just really only intended for dry skin, and I feel like that is the only skin type that would benefit from it, so I am glad that they have this option because it opens up a wider range of people to be able to use it, and I feel like it was super beneficial in that regard, so I would 100% recommend trying it. It is a wonderful, soothing, skin softening, lightweight, barely even there toner. If you are looking for something a little lower on the price scale, I mentioned those other products, but thinking about it, I do feel like the value of this is really worth it. I do see myself repurchasing it when I am wanting a smoothing effect. This product sets so well under makeup and was the perfect priming toner to complement whatever steps I would follow after it. I used it very close to my cleansing step, and I would 100% recommend trying it. Those are other alternatives that could be a potential alternative to this product, but I do feel like this has a simple yet effective approach to hydrate and soften the skin and also balance it from my experience. So I would personally repurchase it. I would 100% recommend trying it, and I had a great experience with this toner. But anyway, thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it and you want to see more like this, make sure you subscribe because I post new videos every week. I will see you all in the next review.